Magnesium deficiency is a silent crisis in modern diets. Yet the solution might be hiding in plain sight, on your plate. But here's when it gets controversial. Not all magnesium-rich foods are created equal, and some of the best sources might surprise you. Let's break down 11 plant-based powerhouses that pack a magnesium punch, while sparking a conversation about how we truly fuel our bodies. And this is the part most people miss. These foods aren't just about numbers, they're about transforming your meals into nutrient-dense, delicious experiences. Ready to rethink your magnesium game? Let's dive in. 1. Pumpkin seeds. Often overlooked as a snack, pumpkin seeds are magnesium royalty. A single ounce delivers 156 milligrams of this essential mineral, making them one of the densest plant-based sources. But here's the twist. They're also a triple threat of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Sprinkle them on yogurt for a crunchy twist, toss into salads for texture, or blend into homemade granola for a breakfast boost. But wait! Could overconsumption of seeds lead to magnesium toxicity? Share your thoughts below. 2. Chia seeds. These tiny superstars might look unassuming, but 1 ounce, about 28 grams, delivers a solid magnesium hit. Beyond magnesium, they're a hydration hero, due to their gel-like consistency when soaked. Try them in smoothies, as a pudding base, or sprinkled on oatmeal. And here's a debate. Are chia seeds overhyped compared to other seeds? We'd love to hear your take. 3. Almonds, a classic nut with a magnesium-rich reputation. Just 1 ounce, 23 almonds, offers a decent dose, along with heart-healthy fats and protein. But here's the catch. Raw versus roasted, salted versus unsalted. The processing method can alter nutrient availability. What's your go-to almond snack? Let's discuss. 4. Spinach. This leafy green isn't just for Popeye. Half a cup of cooked spinach gives you 78.5 milligrams of magnesium, plus iron, antioxidants, and vitamins A, C, K, and folate. Saute it into pasta, blend it into soups, or use it as a base for vibrant salads. But here's a question. Does cooking spinach reduce its magnesium content? Share your cooking tips. 5. Dark chocolate, 70 to 85% cocoa. Yes, you read that right. A 1 ounce square of dark chocolate delivers 64 milligrams of magnesium, along with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Pair it with almonds for a sweet and savory snack. However, is the magnesium in chocolate worth the sugar and calories? We're curious to hear your perspective. 6. Black beans. These humble legumes are a magnesium and protein powerhouse. Half a cup cooked provides 60 milligrams of magnesium, plus fiber to keep you full. Toss them into tacos, burgers, or salads. But here's a challenge. How do you make black beans the star of your meal? Share your favorite recipes. 7. Black beans, the star of your meal. Peanut butter. 2 tablespoons of this creamy spread give you 54 milligrams of magnesium, plus plant-based protein and healthy fats. Blend it into smoothies, spread it on toast, or dip apple slices for a quick snack. And here's a debate. Is peanut butter a healthy staple or a processed pitfall? Let's chat. Soy milk, a dairy-free alternative that's often fortified with magnesium. Check labels for unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Use it in cereals, baking, or as a latte base. But here's a question. Does plant-based milk truly match the nutrient profile of dairy? We're all ears. 9. Baked potato. A 3.5 ounce baked potato delivers 43 milligrams of magnesium, along with potassium and vitamin C. Loading up with black beans for a magnesium double whammy. However, is the skin or the flesh the better source? Share your baking secrets. 10. Bananas. These potassium-rich fruits also pack 31.9 milligrams of magnesium per medium banana. They're a grab-and-go option for breakfast or a post-workout snack. But here's a thought. Can you get too much potassium from bananas? Let's explore. 11. Swiss chard. A milder alternative to spinach, Swiss chard offers 75 milligrams of magnesium per half cup, plus vitamins K and A. Sauté it with garlic, add it to stews or use it as a wrap. And here's a challenge. How do you make Swiss chard exciting? Share your culinary hacks. Meet the expert. Laura I.U.R.D. is a registered dietitian and certified intuitive eating counselor based in New York City. With a background in hospital nutrition and a passion for holistic wellness, she believes true health is a balance of physical, emotional, and mental well-being. But here's a final question. Do you prioritize magnesium in your diet, or is it an afterthought? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're all learning together.